Today we will learn to configure OSPF. In this topology, the IP addresses are pre-configured and we can verify them also by show IP interface brief command. Similarly, we can do it on router 2 and on router 3 also. Now moving to the configuration part of OSPF. The first command for configuring OSPF is router OSPF and then the process ID. So the process ID can be from 1 to 65535. So we will take here 100. Then enter. Then moving to the next command. The next command is network. Then the particular network. Then the wildcard mask. Here we have taken it on /24. The wildcard mask will be 0.0.0.255. Then area 0. Then enter. And this command assigns router 1 to area 0 and then exit. So now our OSPF is configured on router 1. Now moving to router 2. First command here will be the same as on router 1. Router OSPF 100. Then the network. So network here are 12.0.0.0. Then the wildcard mask 0.0.0.255 and then area 0. Then enter. Then the another network is also on router 2, that is 23.0.0.0. Then the wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. Then area 0. Now router 2 is also assigned to area 0. Now moving to the configuration part of router 3. Now first command router OSPF 100. Then the network. So network here is 23.0.0.0. Then the wildcard mask and then area. So we'll assign it to area 0 and exit. So now it gives us a message that it has become a neighbor to router 2 and full loading has done. Now in OSPF, each router requires an area assignment, which we have already done. Area 1, area 2 and area 3 are in area 0, all the 3 routers. So now if we run a command on router 1, that is show IP route, it is giving us that 12.0.0 at /24 is directly connected, that is it is shown as by C, and 23.0.0.0 at /24 is received via OSPF, that is noted by O, and O is noted here by OSPF. So it means that the routes learned by OSPF are symboled by O. The AD value here is 110, which we can see. Now the next command for verifying is show IP protocol. So by this command we are able to see that which particular protocol is running. OSPF 100 is running on router 1. Its router ID is 12.0.0.1, which is the highest IP address. Its maximum path is 4 and its routing for 12.0.0.0 and the distance, that is default, is 110, which we have already seen in the show IP route command, that is its AD value. So this is the basic configuration of OSPF. Thank you.